Hello everyone, speaking to you right now is Shamin Alisha from Three Musketeers. It's a pun for the Three Musketeers, as we are a group of three, all for one and one for all. Anyways, today my friends and I will be talking about the uses of ionic compounds and covalent compounds in daily life. Before we start, let me quickly introduce you to your speakers, which is Alia, Tengku, and me, Shamin. So, what are ionic and covalent compounds? Ionic compounds are composed of ions and charged particles that form when an atom donates electron or receives electron. Covalent compounds are formed when nonmetal atoms share their electrons to achieve a stable duplet or octet electron arrangement. Most ionic compounds and covalent compounds used in our daily lives are in the industrial sector, agriculture, medicine, and domestic use. However, the use of ionic and covalent compounds can bring more harm than good. Today, we're going to explore the problems and find solutions for the downside of these compounds. Let's dive in. Today, we will be looking at the uses of ionic and covalent compounds in domestic use, which is hydroquinone and sodium hypochlorite. I will be explaining more about hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is a skin bleaching agent that is used to lighten the dark patches of skin, also called hyperpigmentation, such as freckles, melasma, age spots, and acne scars. It is usually caused by pregnancy, birth control pills, hormone medicine, or injury to the skin. This medicine works by blocking the process in the skin that leads to discoloration. Hydroquinone usually found in skin lighteners, facial and skin cleanser, facial moisturizers, and hair conditioners. It is available as a cream, gel, lotion, or emulsion. Unfortunately, there are some disadvantages of using a hydroquinone-based product. The problem are mild skin irritation and sensitization, which is burning and stinging, dermatitis, dryness, redness, and even inflammatory reaction. Instead of using a hydroquinone-based product, you should use a retinol-based product. It has 0.5% of retinol extracted from scoline, as you can see we have highlighted here. It is safer and delivers the same functions as hydroquinone, but better. Now, let's hear about sodium hypochlorite from Alia.
We've seen the covalent compound hydroquinone, but now it's time for our ionic compound, which is sodium hypochlorite. You may have never heard of sodium hypochlorite, but if you were to search it on the internet, this would pop up. I'm sure many of you have this lying around your house. The bleach is a good example of a sodium hypochlorite compound. Sodium hypochlorite with the formula NaClO is composed of a sodium cation and a hypochlorite anion. When dissolved in water, sodium hypochlorite is commonly known as bleach. It is frequently used as a disinfectant or a bleaching agent. The mixture of sodium peroxide and hydrochloric acid, which reacts to produce a sodium hypochlorite, termed as an oxone. Unfortunately, sodium hypochlorite releases toxic fumes. It may cause a variety of health problems because it is very irritating and corrosive to the skin, lungs, and eyes. It may cause skin rashes, extreme headaches, abdominal discomfort, esophageal perforation, and also can be damaging to the nervous system. Now, Tengku, would you like to tell us on how to overcome the downfall of sodium hypochlorite?
Luckily, there is some alternative for corrosive household cleaning products. We can use eco-friendly cleaning products instead to avoid health or environmental hazard. The options are hydrogen peroxide, lemon juice, baking soda, vinegar, citric acid, and lemon essential oil. Instead of using chlorine bleach, we should switch to oxygen bleach. It gives the same effect as chlorine bleach. The active ingredient is hydrogen peroxide, which makes oxygen bleach non-toxic and odor-free unlike common bleach. It can be in colorless liquid or a powder form. We can use oxygen bleach on any fabrics besides silk and wool. Oxygen bleach uses much gentler sodium percarbonate. If you mix it with water, it will break down to hydrogen peroxide, essentially water, oxygen, and sodium carbonate or soda ash. As you see, oxygen bleach doesn't contain any phosphorus or nitrogen, so it is eco-friendly. This is the simplified version of comparison between oxygen bleach and chlorine bleach. How about we make oxygen bleach ourselves at home? You only need hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and hot water to combine the ingredients. So let's watch this tutorial.
Be careful not to confuse oxygen bleach with chlorine bleach, which is a more corrosive substance and should be handled with care. To use oxygen bleach as a pre-wash treatment, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons per gallon of water. Place the stained item in the water and leave to soak for up to an hour. Tough or all.
That's all from all of us. I hope this video gives you more knowledge about ionic and covalent compounds. To end this video, I leave you guys with a quote from Deuteronomy Rabbah, which is, "In vain have you acquired knowledge if you have not imparted it to others." So please share it with your friends and family.